Hello, dogs. Good morning, dear friends. Look at this sun. Real spring has come to us. So, the plan for the day is to install the window. Now, we'll quickly go to the city, buy a window and glass, fire up the tandoor, and then we'll grill some meat and work as glaziers.
I think we have too many pigs, way too many.
Go outside and enjoy the warmth in the sun.
Turkey hen and turkey cock.
The third turkey hen.
She hatched only 4 poults and we put them under the black one. She accepted them right away, and as for the white one, maybe she'll lay some eggs and sit on them later.
That's what we decided.
We moved the black turkey with the poults from the greenhouse back to the house because she wouldn't sit in the greenhouse. And these little poults need a lot of warmth in their first days.
Let's go see how she accepted them.
Yes, you see, she sits right away.
She sits because there are little ones, but in the greenhouse she would walk around. Look how many little ones she has hatched.
And now he has a new mom.
Run to your mom, run!
In the greenhouse, only the large broilers and 3 big turkey chicks remained.
It's not even about the fact that she doesn't sit down and doesn't warm them anymore.
$72.5.
We have...
Yeah, that's what we have.
Yeah, it's a mirror, yeah.
What are you doing, Chelka? Is it safe? Is it warm until...
We bought them after all. These ones.
The windows are smooth on one side and rough on the other. They're also bronze colored, so they'll look good. And Belka.
It won't hit here if the smooth side is facing out. That's how it will look. If it's with a pattern, then it will look like this. Valentina, did you like it with the pattern?
With a pattern, yes. Well, it's nice either way, actually. It's beautiful.
Really? Yes, she definitely won't see herself anymore. So we're lighting the fire.
And we install the windows.
While our tandoor is burning and heating up, we have two tasks: to replace the glass. Since it's meat, what kind of meat are we going to cook?
Let's go, we'll marinate it. Happy March 8th to you, my dear.
Thank you, Tzvetok. From meat, yes.
Let's eat at least once with Valentina, properly.
We're starving like this.
You'll marinate it, Puske.
Let it sit for a couple of hours. It'll oxidize.
And olive oil.
Bind it all together.
Let's put a clove of garlic here into this pulp.
I'm all ready, Valentin, imagining how I'll eat half of it in one sitting without bread. I could eat half of it right away.
And that's it. It's ready.
Let's go outside.
Let's go.
We will change it in 2 frames. But in general, how did it happen that the squirrel broke? Wasn't it Grisha before that? There was an electric shepherd standing here. Belka never came close, not Grisha.
He came up somehow, got tangled up on you. He got tangled up and ran away. And Belka didn't miss the chance. She came up.
Seeing herself in the mirror, she fled. Okay, let's take off one, then the second one, right?
Actually, these doors should have been repaired after her first hit when she broke them down. She broke this lock here. We bought a new lock back then, but we didn't install it.
There just wasn't any time. Now she forced us to do it, and here she bent it.
So now, at the same time, we'll not only replace the glass, but also this lock.
It's most annoying that the upper glass broke, not the lower one.
I also think we need to install it better. I repositioned it 3 times to make it better.
Yeah, it's really not funny at all.
Something just didn't go well today.
What are we going to do?
What are we gonna do?
Everyone.
Look what she did.
She threw it all out.
Valentina.
What?
What are we going to do?
You placed the same bets, but not there.
Let's see now. Let's try.
My first thought, when they fell in the very first second, was to order plastic normal windows. That's it, I'll go now, buy and order normal windows.
Now I've cooled down a bit, now
Let's think for a second and decide what to do next, because I ordered the glass to size.
Well, you could say I ordered it by eye. I don't know, what if it doesn't fit again? What are we going to do if it doesn't fit?
So we'll break the glass even harder than the squirrels do. It's fine, really.
Everything will work out.
It turns out
we wanted to change it just a little bit. We'll have to completely take apart all the windows.
Suram.
We're taking it apart down to 0.
it was old, it was just on protein, but here the little spring came off.
We put in a new one, just like it was.
I'll stand on top like this, that's it.
Even.
It was bent, you see. It doesn't even walk. That's why... doesn't move until...
The squirrel fell, not from a great height.
I go down the stairs like this, boom, and something broke again.
Glass is not your element, right?
Well, it's one of two things. Either I'm not a glazier or it's just not my day-to-day.
I'm off to get the glass again.
The black stork returns to the same place every year.
It's very rare.
Well, can you imagine how scary that is?
No, it was so scary that I wanted to carry a spare lens just in case. But that's very expensive.
While I'm packing, I keep thinking, am I just making excuses or am I just trying to calm myself down? But actually, you couldn't replace this bottom lens until you took apart the whole structure.
We tried to insert it from below, but it wouldn't fit.
And if you have to take everything apart completely, then why not just replace all 4 lenses?
Maybe the wind will help us?
It costs more, but you avoid the multicolored patchwork appearance.
And we're ready! 100% guarantee that the squirrel
won't break it anymore and won't get in here.
But you'll let her down? You'll show her everything?
No, she won't go anymore. I don't believe her anymore.
The next day you wake up to find all the windows and everything else broken.
I'll put them in then. These are already plastic ones for sure. Plus now we've definitely fixed everything. All the locks are here. We've replaced the plastic.
That's all?
One is ready to show.
Yes, show it.
Let's count. In it. Look at what was replaced.
They replaced the handle that doesn't work, and they also replaced this plastic part here, which was broken.
Well, and all 4 windows, 2 windows.
Honestly, friends, I wanted this frosted glass to be on the inside, but Valentina said it's beautiful and it would be more expensive.
I said she'll have it. She agreed. That's it. Let it be so.
The room doors have windows identical to those found in apartments.
The second ones are inserted. That is the first ones.
So it's already 350 degrees. I guess we can probably put our leg in here.
The boiling water is serious.
Or maybe just a little bit more. Let it heat up to 400, like this.
The more the better.
That's it. Yeah, let's do it then. I mean, let's start and put in the leg already.
Here, basically, the handle wasn't working either.
So the squirrel damaged everything on these sides and corners and chewed up the handles back then. Do you remember? And here it was supposed to be attached here too, but the squirrel knocked out the plastic back then.
And it kind of works, but without it.
Now I'll try to put it together with both hands.
In general, I definitely should have taken this apart.
Belka did a good job. None. Here, in one it's knocked out, that's why it works, but it's a mess. And here the antenna, the contact on this one, that's why it doesn't return after the attempt.
Now I'll move the gardens here, it'll be fine. But honestly, friends, don't buy these aluminum doors. It's better to buy plastic ones. They're probably more reliable, even though they're more expensive.
Look, everything is like this. Some kind of...
It's kind of flimsy, yeah?
Uh-huh.
So, it's in this.
It seems like it wasn't working because of this little wire, so we're putting in a working wire like this.
Click.
Here goes a big thick spring.
Here, a thin one.
I learned so many new things today.
The second lock, maybe it will work.
Oh.
Let it hang.
Let him get ready.
It already smells.
It turns out there's only one surviving piece of glass out of all 4 of our panes.
And even that one is damaged by the turkey.
Now you already know everything like an expert, yes?
Oh, 2 more are coming, and now the whole picture has come together in my head. One by one, when you get it, you start overthinking, thinking you need to throw everything out, that you won't be able to put it together, you won't be able to put it together.
The last pieces, friends.
A squirrel was swimming here too.
This is to adjust the height so that they don't fall out. Later you'll need to do it like this, so they don't fall out because of that. Let's go.
Valentina, we'll install it, but only together. You're not filming. If we put it together, we'll never drop it in the house. We'll show the finished results. Let's all go.
It turned out that from 2 locks we made one new one, we made 2 fastenings, changed them,
And we replaced 4 glass panes.
Only the old frames remain. Let's go.
So these glass panes are even better than those. You can't see anything through them at all.
The dress becomes sturdy and they leave.
And the scent is amazing.
Squeaker, you squeaker more. Yes, you. Look what happened.
And it smelled like Galenka. It smells a lot, of course, the leg. It smells nice, but this is our leg.
It got better than before.
Well, even from here.
I don't know how it looks on the screen, but it seems to me that these aren't glass. It seems to me that it's some kind of material. Unclear, but definitely not glass.
That's true.
That's it. You did great. I told you everything would work out for you.
So it turns out the squirrel and the wind helped us. If she hadn't broken the glass, this electric thing would have stayed there forever. All those glasses too.
Animals used to come by. Turkeys and pigs would always peek in. Those handles would still be broken to this day.
But that's how it is. Even the wind and the squirrel helped. Good job.
Dimka and Valka too.
They earned Galoshka. He altered all the locks differently, as neither the first nor the second would shut.
Click, that's all.
You just can't open it until you need to. We don't take out the Galenka yet. We free it from the foil, so it bakes a little more, so it gets nicely roasted.
With a crust, it was.
Promise. I like that too.
Whistle, whistle, wait, come on, oh. Even through the glove, it's so wild. You, let's throw it away. But still, it's so golden, I can't even talk anymore. Today was the warmest day of the year, plus 16 degrees.
Now it's starting to get late, but at least the wind has died down.
Of course, your main question is, do the ducks swim up to the house?
The winds are too strong, tossing it back and forth, making it impossible to catch up.
Yes, they're even afraid of it, because it's constantly moving. It's always in motion, so they don't go near it.
I think we need to put it on a tether, or maybe wait until summer when the water is warm, or take a boat and go now. I don't know.
There will be a chance to go on a boat.
Of course, we'll secure it evenly, but for now, while he's shaking it, they don't want to get dizzy. They swim about 5 times daily. Let's let Brawler out for 10 minutes. Let him eat some grass. They're scared. Go on.
They're afraid of the bee.
Go on, get some fresh air.
They don't like to walk, they just sit everywhere.
Let her out daily for a short period and she'll already understand the need to go outside.
I didn't have time to let them out in the sun today.
We spent half the day driving around, putting in windows and cooking.
I neglected the kids.
So much for being a protector, huh?
The pig with her piglets is walking around. She'll get it too now.
Our intelligent pig avoids confrontations, sensing she's outmatched.
She won't be able to. She won't do anything bad to you. Pishchalka, she's so calm. She came up and thought, who would give me a little massage? But she's not really very happy.
No, she's not happy that... She has completely different thoughts right now.
Bring them here.
They've eaten all the grass. They've broadened their horizons, they're sleeping. Everything is fine. They have all sizes under her. She accepted everyone, both big and small. She has 3 ages here. Like this.
Like this.
Good morning.
You're sitting here again. Go on, go. Everyone go play. Go play outside. Don't sit here. There are no eggs of yours. You won't go to the pigs to sleep again. Run!
Here we actually had two hens sitting on one nest, that's it, although they also want to hatch chicks.
You're already sitting. You want to sit. One will hatch, the other will stay and keep sitting.
Another duck laid eggs, the same one as before.
So far, we haven't taken the eggs either, and there are already 2 eggs. We won't take them. Let her sit. Let her hatch her eggs here. We'll take the cigarette. You're sitting, show me.
It's rushing, you can see.
Cold eggs.
Like these.
It's being laid.
Well, let it be laid. It's not sitting yet.
You look where you can steal something, right?
Get together with the tomatoes.
With the greens? I'll take the pickles.
Let's get our new one out.
Oh, it's already done. Listen to how it crunches.
I'm drooling right now. I can't even say goodbye. See ya.
Bye bye.